How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so today was a pretty decent day. The Nasdaq went up 0.27%, the Dow Jones went down 0.23%, and the S&P 500 went up 0.19%. So it was an alright day, So let's go check out the Robinhood portfolio real quick. As you can see, today there was kind of a rebound to my portfolio. It went up 1.21%, which is $105.96, which is nice because the past week I've been down like 10%, and that's insane. And let's go over our stocks real quick. As you can see here, Apple didn't do that good today, but Apple's been on a run for a while, so it's alright. It's been down 1.34%, which is $2.97. And the next one we have here is Amazon. Same thing with Amazon. As soon as it hit that $1 trillion market cap, it's kind of pulled back a little bit, but Amazon's been up quite a bit in the recent months. And even in the past year, I think it's been up like almost 100%. See, basically almost 100%. So it's all right. So today it went down 0.67%. It did kind of go up a little bit after hours, but yeah, in a couple, it should be able to hit that $1 trillion market cap and just stay above it and keep increasing in size. And the next one we have here is Nvidia. Nvidia, decent, went up 1.06%, which is $2.87. Let's go to the next one. Facebook has been it's been killing my account, but today it actually did go up 0.7%, and after hours 0.24%, which is nice. But for the past month, it's been getting wrecked, basically down 10%. And Tesla did have a nice day today. It went up 8.46%, which is $22.26. I know there was news today. Let's check out the news that I saw. Right here it says buy Tesla shares even with drama, this analyst says after factory tour. It says he reiterates the buy rating on Tesla, noting the company's Gigafactory creates a significant barrier for competition, adding Tesla's manufacturing capabilities should be a competitive advantage in the long term. They believe Tesla's factory enables the company to drive down costs through an industrialization of battery pack assembly and economies of scale, writes this analyst right here. And yeah, Tesla jumps up a little bit today. Next we have here is Microsoft. Microsoft went up a little bit today at 1.08%, which is $1.17. Did dip down a little bit after hours. Next is AbbVie. AbbVie went down a little bit, 0.37%, but then went up a little bit after hours. And Boeing actually did pretty bad in my account today. Boeing went down 2.12%, which is $7.42, but I'm long on this one. As you can see here, the buy rating is so high at 76%. There's no sell rating on this. No sell rating, which is insane. Next is Alibaba, and there was news on Alibaba, which is going on all weekend. It went down today at 3.7%, which is $6.01, and it went up a little bit after hours. But for the news, Jack Ma stepping down. That was the big news this weekend. Basically, the Chinese tech billionaire Jack Ma says he will step down as Alibaba's executive chairman next year. Because of the physical limits on one's ability and energy, no one can shoulder the responsibilities of chairman and CEO forever. The e-commerce company said CEO Daniel Zhang will succeed Ma in 12 months' time. I don't know why this is big news, because obviously Alibaba has one of the best management teams, and basically they have a great long-term view for this company, great long-term vision. So even though this stock is getting hammered right now, I believe this stock will go up all the way past $1 trillion market cap. Next is AGNC is going to be the same. It's my real estate investment trust. I'm going to hold that basically until I don't want to use this account anymore. But let's go on to my cannabis stocks. Canopy growth went up 1.4%, which is very nice. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis went up 2.43%, which is beautiful. I think I'm down huge. Yeah, I'm down huge on this one right now. But it doesn't matter. I feel like this is a long-term play. And for other news, I did see AMD had a huge jump today. Another huge move from the other day, which went up to date 9.17%. And let's see what's going on with AMD. AMD shares rise after skeptical analyst admits chipmaker is gaining market share. As you see here, AMD is the winner of the GQ18. Most data points for AMD were consecutive, including better desktop shares, better laptop shares, and aftermarket GPU shares, this analyst said. It's gaining shares in both desktop and laptops as the Ryzen ramp continues. Good news for AMD. Happy for all you guys that own AMD and are getting these huge percentage gains. As you can see here, 16.39% in the past week. That's awesome. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Let me know how your portfolios went, and if you plan on buying anything. I want to buy AMD stock, but I'm going to wait for it to dip, if it even does dip. If it doesn't dip, then I'll just slowly add some once I add more money into my account, because right now I am like, there is no money in my account. But I will eventually add some more money so I can start purchasing some of these stocks that have been going down for quite a while, especially Facebook and Alibaba. But other than that, guys, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.